In this portion of the Evidence Manager tour, we'll take a quick look at the support data tables. Evidence Manager is a very flexible program and allows you to set up several different data tables to suit your own department's needs. The support data tables are found under the Tables option on the main menu. We'll start by looking at the Ranks table. This table is used to set up any ranks that are specific to our department. In our example, the Ranks table, which is situated on the Ranks tab, has a total of 7 different ranks that have been defined. We can add as many new ranks records as is necessary for our department. Now we'll have a look at the Shifts table, which is found under the Shifts tab. The Shifts tab displays the Shifts table, and just like the Ranks table, new shifts can be added to suit our department. The Members tab, of course, contains the Members table, and all of the members defined for our department will be found here. This is a listing of all members in our department, and our table shows the badge number, rank, shift, first name, and last name. New members can be added at any time, and any existing member's record can be changed when necessary. Next, we'll have a look at both the Category and Charges table. Our charges table is a listing of all the various charges that we have defined for our department for use when creating new case files. Every case file in Evidence Manager is associated with one of these charges records so that we know what type of file it is. It could be defined as an armed robbery, an arson, an assault, and so on. When we create a new case file, a drop-down list of all of these charges is available to us. That drop-down list comes from this charges table. New charges records, of course, can be added at any time. A charges record consists of an easy-to-remember code such as AR and the description such as armed robbery. This is done for fast searching in the drop-down lists. Now let's take a look at the Categories tab. The Categories tab displays all of the categories that we currently have defined. We use the categories from this table in a drop-down list to categorize our items when we add new items to our case files. Every item in Evidence Manager is categorized. For example, money, alcohol, ammunition, or whatever suits your department. Now we have a quick look at the Disposals, Origins, and Locations support tables. All items being tracked in Evidence Manager have a current location, which is where the item can be located up until such time as that item is disposed of. Furthermore, each item will have a history of the various locations the item has been at in the past. The location table is a listing of all the locations for our department in which an item can be located, whether it is a shelf or a bin within the evidence room, or whether it's a location outside the evidence room, such as in court. The location drop-down list that is used when adding or moving items is derived from this table. Each item also has an origin, which is where an item originated from before being tracked in Evidence Manager. Our origin table shows some of our origins for our department. Our items may originate from various temporary lockers or be delivered to the evidence room by a member or by the mail or a courier, for example. Next is the disposal table. This is a listing of all the various methods used to dispose of items. Our example shows that our items can be disposed of by sending them to auction, charity, the city treasury, and so on. When an item is disposed of in Evidence Manager, the disposal drop-down list is derived from this table. This has been a quick overview of most of the support tables in Evidence Manager, and that will end this portion of our tour. By having a quick look at these tables, it's easy to see that Evidence Manager can be customized for any department's evidence